The Atlantis Leadership Academy in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, is facing allegations of abuse against some of its students. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, in Jamaica reportedly acted on these allegations and removed 7 American boys from the facility, placing them in state custody. The academy advertises itself as a faith-based school catering to teenagers dealing with various issues such as substance abuse, anxiety disorders, and defiant behavior. However, according to reports, there are allegations of mistreatment amounting to abuse. The specific nature of the alleged abuse has not been detailed publicly, as the CPFSA stated that it could not comment due to an ongoing investigation. It's unclear how the allegations came to light initially. One mother, Tara Fleischman, shared a recording of a call with her son, who alleged frequent beatings by the staff at the academy and instances of going without food for days. Prior to these allegations, she had limited contact with her son, mainly through photographs sent by the facility's staff. The students involved are from the United States, which might raise questions about how American students ended up in a facility in Jamaica. The Academy's program director, Randall Cook, reportedly expressed disbelief regarding the allegations, stating in a letter to parents that the facility's reputation would suggest it's not an abusive organization. A court hearing was held on March 15, and the matter is scheduled to be heard again in April, indicating that the legal process is ongoing.